What if we told you that nearly 40 older adults in the US are hospitalized every day, not due to accidents or diseases, but because of a hidden and preventable condition? It's something that happens slowly, quietly, and without warning. Muscle loss. You might feel fine today, able to walk, bend, and carry groceries, but after 60, muscle loss begins to steal your strength, balance, and independence, often without you even noticing. But here's the good news: it doesn't have to be this way. Thanks to groundbreaking research, we now know that certain foods can actually help rebuild muscle. Even after 60, these powerful nutrients can restore your strength, keep you steady, and help you maintain your independence. In this video, we'll reveal 10 science-backed foods that can help you regain what aging has taken away. These simple dietary changes could change the way you move, live, and feel, giving you the energy and vitality to live life on your terms. Stay with us. This could be the key to staying strong, steady, and independent for years to come. 1. Muscle loss in older adults. Every day, nearly 40 older adults in the US are hospitalized due to a condition that often goes unnoticed: muscle loss. This silent condition, known as sarcopenia, occurs gradually, often without any symptoms. The effects of sarcopenia can be devastating, as it leads to a significant decline in muscle mass and strength. It's not caused by accidents or disease but is a natural part of aging, typically beginning after the age of 60. While you might feel healthy and capable today, the process of muscle loss may already be silently taking place inside your body. By the time you begin to notice the effects, such as difficulty getting out of a chair or losing balance, it may be too late to reverse the damage. Sarcopenia is responsible for nearly 90% of nursing home admissions, as it severely impacts mobility and independence. For many seniors, this loss of strength and balance can result in devastating falls, with the risk of fractures, especially in the hips, becoming alarmingly high. Once the muscles that once protected you weaken or disappear, even small, everyday tasks can become insurmountable challenges. The truth is, we often don't notice muscle loss until it becomes a serious problem. However, this does not have to be your fate. With proper awareness and lifestyle changes, sarcopenia can be slowed or even reversed. It's not inevitable, and with the right approach, it's possible to maintain strength and mobility well into your later years. 2. The cause. As we age, the body's natural processes begin to slow down, and muscle loss is one of the most significant and often overlooked effects. After the age of 60, your body starts to lose muscle mass steadily, and it can be difficult to notice the gradual decline. Unlike other health conditions that might show immediate symptoms, muscle loss is a silent process. Initially, it may seem like you're still in great shape, able to walk, bend, and even carry groceries without trouble. However, over time, the body becomes less efficient at maintaining muscle, which leads to a gradual decrease in muscle mass. This silent decline is a direct result of biological changes that occur with aging. As muscle tissue breaks down faster than the body can repair it, your muscles become smaller, weaker, and less responsive to physical activity. The decline in muscle mass not only reduces strength but also impacts other aspects of health, such as balance and mobility. Sarcopenia is particularly concerning because it shows few, if any, warning signs. It can easily go unnoticed until the effects are too severe to ignore. Once you begin to experience problems like difficulty standing up from a chair or balancing properly, it's often too late to reverse the damage. This condition isn't caused by disease, nor is it the result of accidents. It's simply a natural part of the aging process that most people don't see coming. But the good news is, this decline in muscle mass doesn't have to be a permanent, inevitable part of aging. Research has shown that muscle loss can be slowed, stopped, and even reversed with the right intervention. And it's never too late to start. 3. Hopeful news. Despite the inevitable nature of aging, muscle loss is not something that must be accepted without a fight. In recent years, breakthrough research, particularly from prestigious institutions like Harvard Medical School, has provided hope. Scientists now understand that the effects of sarcopenia are not unavoidable. With the right diet and lifestyle choices, it's possible to slow down or even rebuild lost muscle. No matter your age, certain foods have been shown to contain powerful nutrients that can support muscle health and reverse muscle loss. These foods are backed by solid scientific research and clinical studies. For example, specific proteins and vitamins found in everyday foods can help rebuild muscle tissue, even in older adults in their 70s or 80s. What's even more exciting is that some of these foods have been shown to outperform medications in clinical trials, offering a natural and sustainable way to restore muscle mass. This new understanding of muscle health, combined with groundbreaking research, gives seniors hope. Instead of resigning themselves to a future of declining strength and independence, older adults can now take control of their muscle health with simple changes in their diet. The key to success lies in consistency and the right choices. And with just a few strategic additions to your daily meals, you can protect your muscles from further decline and even build them back up. No longer must sarcopenia be an inevitable fate. It can be a preventable condition that you can fight with knowledge, action, and nutrition. 4. Powerful foods for muscle strength. One of the most promising aspects of combating muscle loss in older adults is the ability to make changes through food. A variety of foods have been scientifically shown to not only slow down the muscle loss associated with aging but also help rebuild muscle mass. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that are crucial for muscle health. For example, Greek yogurt is a simple yet highly effective option for supporting muscle preservation. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, specifically casein, a slow-digesting protein that helps feed muscles over long periods, especially overnight when muscles are more prone to breakdown. It's also packed with calcium, vitamin D and phosphorus, important nutrients for bone health and muscle contraction. Other powerful foods include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for reducing inflammation and promoting muscle repair. Fish also make the body more responsive to protein, a crucial factor for older adults who require more protein than younger adults to achieve the same muscle-building results. Eggs are another great choice. They contain high-quality protein, including leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Contrary to outdated beliefs about cholesterol, Current research shows that eating up to 2 eggs a day has no negative effects on heart health and actually supports muscle function. There are also nuts and seeds, which provide healthy fats, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients help prevent muscle cramps, reduce inflammation, and support long-term muscle strength. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can provide significant benefits for muscle maintenance and repair, helping you stay strong, steady, and independent as you age. 5. Taking action. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the idea of reversing or slowing muscle loss. But the key is to start with small, manageable changes. If you're over 60 and concerned about muscle loss, consider adding just one of the recommended foods into your diet and gradually make it a regular part of your routine. Whether it's Greek yogurt before bed, salmon twice a week, or incorporating nuts and seeds as a daily snack, each food offers its own unique benefits for muscle health. The best part about this approach is that these foods are accessible and easy to integrate into your daily life. Many of them are affordable, and most can be prepared quickly and without much effort. For example, a small handful of almonds can be enjoyed with a salad, and canned sardines can make a quick and healthy lunch. Eggs can be scrambled for breakfast or boiled for a snack. Greek yogurt can be added to smoothies or enjoyed with some berries for a delicious and nutritious treat. This may seem like a small step, but consistent, daily action can lead to big changes. By choosing to nourish your muscles through your diet, you're not only supporting muscle health, but you're also boosting your energy, balance, and overall strength. Taking action now can help protect your independence, prevent the falls that often lead to severe injury, and improve your overall quality of life as you age. 6. Conclusion. In the battle against muscle loss, knowledge and action are your most powerful allies. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, is not a condition you have to accept as a natural part of aging. With the right nutrition, you can slow, stop, and even reverse the effects of sarcopenia. The 10 foods we've discussed: Greek yogurt, fatty fish, eggs, nuts and seeds, beans and legumes, leafy greens, olive oil, berries, lean beef, and whey protein, are all scientifically proven to support muscle health and help maintain strength and independence as you age. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you can protect your muscles from decline and even rebuild what's been lost. But it's not just about what you eat, it's about making these foods a consistent part of your life. With each meal, you're giving your muscles the support they need to stay strong. Taking action now will allow you to move more freely, feel better, and maintain your independence for years to come. So, take the first step today. Choose one of these foods and begin nourishing your muscles. Your strength, balance, and quality of life are worth the effort. As we wrap up today's video, let's remember that muscle loss is not an inevitable part of aging, it's something we can actively fight against. The simple changes you make today, like incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, can help protect your strength, independence, and overall well-being. The lessons here are clear. Your health is in your hands. And with knowledge, action, and a few key adjustments, you can continue to move, live, and thrive for years to come. So, whether it's enjoying a bowl of Greek yogurt, adding a serving of fatty fish to your meals, or incorporating more leafy greens and nuts, Know that every choice you make brings you one step closer to better health. Don't wait for the signs of muscle loss to show up. Start now. And build a stronger, more vibrant future. Keep moving forward. And remember, the strength you build today will carry you tomorrow. This conclusion reinforces the message of empowerment, encourages the audience to take act,